Our project is moisture detection in cotton. The problem we identified when we went to visit the cotton crop field was measuring the moisture in the cotton. The main reason for choosing this problem is cotton is a high yielding crop which gives good income to the farmer. But nowadays farmers are not getting that much of income in crop. Why? Because after harvesting, cotton absorbs some moisture from the air. Due to this absorption of moisture from the air, the cotton gets damaged. When the farmer was taken this type of cotton for sale, he could not get expected profit. To overcome this problem, we are going to design a device to detect the moisture content in the cotton. We can provide this instrument to farmer in a very low cost. The instrument is designed in such a way that farmer can able to understand how to use. If the farmer knows how much moisture content in the cotton, he can store the cotton in the right way without selling it. We are designing the moisture detecting device by using Arduino LED, moisture sensor, buzzer, battery and switch. And this is how the connection should be made. If we place the moisture sensor in dry cotton, then it sends the moisture content. If the moisture content is low, the green LED will glow and the LCD will display the safe. Similarly, place the moisture sensor in wet cotton. If the moisture content is more, the red LED will glow and also automatically buzzer ranks. Then the LCD will display the danger. This is our PPT presentation about our project. In this presentation, we explained the main objective, problem identification, software and hardware components required, block diagram, proposed methodology, prototype simulation, and working model. For further improvement of this project, we can use the DHT11 sensors of all the four sides of the room where the cotton is stored, and P10 board are connected to the sensor and displays the moisture content in the cotton. By using this, we can implement our project and may help the farmers in the storage facilities. This project may help the farmers to reduce the losses at the selling time. We have taken this device as a solution for the identified problem.